I've got a hot stock pick to share with you today, and the good news is that this stock is still dirt cheap. The risk to reward ratio is very appealing right now, but I wouldn't recommend waiting too long before taking a position because there's just no telling how long this stock will remain this cheap. So, as you probably already figured out, in this video I'm going to be telling you about a stock that I jumped in on today because I think that this son of a gun will absolutely explode. I hope you're not planning on going anywhere because we're going to be starting right now. Hey, what's going on? It's Pat from Top Ticker Trades. If you're new here and you want to learn how to use stocks and options to make your portfolio go parabolic, make sure you start now by subscribing and tapping that bell so you never miss an upload. What is going on, Ticker fam? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. This video is very special because today we are once again talking about SPACs. We're talking about a SPAC company. If you don't know what that is, I will be getting into that. But basically, I'm fixing to briefly touch on why this is such a low risk and extremely high reward company or opportunity. So for anyone that is new to the channel or perhaps new to investing, you may not know that with SPACs, the floor is essentially $10. Or at the very least, we've got a very strong support at the $10 level. So what I'm talking about today, I'm talking about a new SPAC or special purpose acquisition company for those of you that are new to investing and didn't know that. And anyone that's been a part of my family for a while knows from previous SPACs we've covered that the shell companies alone are worth around $10, and therefore there is going to be a floor at $10, which is why I said the strong support at $10. So the stock right now is at $12.20, which means only a couple of dollars per share becomes our risk. So this is likely going to be the risk prior to the merger taking place. Now, after the merger, it's a whole different story, but to be fair, I'm going to say that I've only seen a handful of SPACs after or post-merger that have actually gone below the $10 level. It's not very likely. It's definitely not going to be very likely for this stock. In this situation, I not only feel strongly about the actual company that is being taken public, I also like the shell company and their track record. But another thing that I find really attractive here is the price. If $10 is the bottom, this company is trading at around $12.35 currently. I think I said $12.20 earlier, so sorry about that. But that lets you know that there's very little risk involved, at least for now. And in my opinion, this is, probably going to be one of the better times to get in. I really like this price point a lot for SPACs that I'm interested in. As we all know, SPACs can run up very fast, and this is an extremely good one. So I can say that I've done my research on this company. I've done a lot of research on this company, and I like what I've found very much. Unfortunately, I won't have time to really go through all of it tonight. There's a lot of details involved, but I will be making a follow-up video. Today, we're going to kind of, relax a little bit, go through this very quickly so I can introduce you to the company, and then you guys can take the rest of your Friday night off and go party or something. So the company that we're talking about tonight, or the SPAC that we're talking about tonight, is TPG, or Pace Tech Opportunities, and it is taking a company known as Nerdy public. And to be clear, I'm not using the term nerdy as an adjective here. It's actually a noun. Nerdy is the name of the company that's being taken public. So Nerdy is a purpose-driven company enabling access to high-quality instruction and transforming how people learn through technology. We all know that the pandemic has forced us through social distancing to improvise a little bit, and specifically, it has forced us to do a lot of things electronically. So there's been a significant acceleration in online adoption, and consumers are pretty much now realizing that they don't have to drive to a department store, they don't have to go to a grocery store, and they really don't even have to go sit at a restaurant, because nowadays we can use an app to even bring prepared food to our door, pretty much have it delivered to your doorstep. So Education is no different, and Nerdy is a company that essentially offers their users the opportunity to get an education online. So, Nerdy is the leading direct to consumer curated gig economy platform for live online learning, and it's led by the company's flagship business, Varsity Tutors. They leverage technology and AI to deliver personalized live learning at scale. Nerdy's direct-to-consumer gig economy platform is transforming how people learn as digital disruption accelerates market expansion. Nerdy is to benefit from additional capital to build on significant momentum and further accelerate growth, and the transaction values Nerdy at a $1.7 billion market cap, provides up to $750 million in cash proceeds, including a fully committed PIPE of $150 million, forward purchase agreements of $150 million, and up to $450 million held in TPG Pace Tech Opportunities Trust Account. So PIPE includes funds and accounts managed by top-tier institutional investors, including Franklin Templeton, Healthcare of Ontario Pension Plan, Koch Industries, and Learn Capital. Existing investors, including TCV, Learn Capital, Chan Zuckerberg Initiative, and existing management, are expected to retain more than a 50% ownership stake in the company. Nerdy is to be listed on the NYSE following close expected early Q2 of 2021. So the press release that came out on this, I'm going to just read it very quickly. Nerdy is a leading direct-to-consumer curated gig economy platform for live online learning, benefiting both learners and experts, has entered into an agreement to become a public company through a business combination with TPG Pace Tech Opportunities, a publicly traded special purpose acquisition company. Nerdy has built a comprehensive online learning destination that enables the delivery of scaled, high-quality live learning for people of all ages across thousands of subjects and multiple learning formats. Nerdy's multi-format learning destination covers more than 3,000 subjects and includes one-on-one instruction, live small and large group classes, and adaptive self-study tools. Nerdy's proprietary platform leverages AI and a rich database of past learning interactions to source, evaluate, and match top experts to learners, ensuring a high-quality experience on both sides of the network. Nerdy's marketplace offers experts flexibility and collaborative tools for connecting with learners and the opportunity to earn income from the convenience of home. All right, ladies and gentlemen, so that's all that we have time for today. But what I want you to do with this time over the weekend, with the extra time that you have, is do look into this. Make sure it's a company that you like before you invest in it. Check out what they've done. The investor presentation is up. You can just Google it. And also check out what the actual shell company has done and who they've taken public in the past. You'll be very impressed, I will tell you that. And I am going to follow up with a video that has all the answers to everything that I just mentioned here and told you to look up. But, you know, if you're lazy, like some people are, then you're probably going to wait on me to put the video out, and that's cool. Just keep in mind, Monday is a brand new trading day. People are going to be jumping into this. I'm going to be jumping into this to add more, or to add to my position, because I really like this thing, especially at these prices. So listen, before you go, make sure you smash that like button if you haven't already, because it greatly helps out this channel. Also, if you haven't joined this great community yet, this family, as I like to refer to it, because you guys are my family, then make sure to do so now by smashing the subscribe button as well, or tap it, pet it, do whatever you need to do to make sure that the subscribe button turns into a different color indicating that you subscribed, and also tap that bell to receive notifications every time I drop a video. Other than that, have a happy and wonderful Friday night, folks, because, I really wish you well tonight. Take a break, take a breather, and then Monday morning, be back with your game face on and bring your A game, because I don't accept B and C games. We're an A team. While I have you here, I wanted to quickly tell you about the brand new First Trade app, available for mobile or PC. The platform will give you access to powerful and easy to use tools and allows you to trade with less restrictions, zero commissions, zero fees, and you can use the first link in the description below to download a free stock today without having to deposit any money. This will greatly help out the channel and is always appreciated. And now back to your regularly scheduled programming. Congrats, ladies and gentlemen, you've made it to the end of the video. If you like what you watched, make sure you subscribe, because I put out videos just like this one every single day. And please do me a favor and smash that like button if I helped you in any way, because it really goes a long way in helping the channel out and keeps me motivated to make videos every single day. Now, there's a lot of work involved, a lot of research, and a lot of time and effort into editing and putting these out daily for you guys. You can subscribe from your screen right now, or if you want to watch one of my other videos, I'm sure YouTube has some good content picked out for you on the left-hand side of your screen now. Thanks for sticking it out with me till the end, and I will see you guys in the next video.